What do you think he's looking for?
He better not be looking for my Butterfinger.
Oh, maybe he was.
Oh, 3 Butterfingers.
He wants jelly beans. Those are his favorite. Are there any jelly beans?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I found jelly beans. Look, Hulu. Jelly beans.
Jelly bean.
Watch. Hulu. See? He wanted the jelly beans. See, he knows. He knows. Give me a friggin' jelly bean. Give it to me. Look at it. Give me a jelly bean. He's got it. Crazy.